Okay, before I will start a new lesson, I will answer with you your homework sheet. A circle, its radius is 21 centimeter. Calculate its surface area where pi equals 22/7. Okay, now are you remember the area of the circle? The area of the circle is equal what? Area of the circle equal pi r power 2. Pi, the value of pi is 22/7 and r is what? Is the radius. Area of the circle equal what? Pi equals 22/7. Okay, r power 2. Radius is 21 power 2. Okay, equals what? One point 386. 1.386 centimeter square. Okay, a circle, its diameter is 14 centimeter. Calculate of the surface area where pi equal 22/7. Now I have a diameter, not radius. So if I want to find the length of radius, I will make 14 divided by 2. 14 divided by 2, it will be 7. Okay, so the area of the circle equals what? Pi r power 2. The radius here 22/7 times the length of the radius is what? 7 power 2. Okay, this is 49. 49 divided by 7, here 1 and this 7. 22 times 7. 7 times 2 equals 14, and 7 times 2 equals 14, and 1 15. So the answer here is 154 centimeter square. Okay, a circle, its diameter is 20 centimeter. Calculate its surface area where pi equal 3.14. Okay, it is the same. Area of the circle equals what? Now the length of the diameter is 20, so I want the radius is what? 10. 20 divided by 2, it will be 10. So the area of the circle equals pi r power 2. Okay, and the value of pi here is 3.14. I will put 3.14 times r power 2 is 100. So 3.14 times 100, it will be 314 centimeter square. Okay, a circle, its diameter is 42 centimeter. Calculate its surface area where pi is equals 22/7. It is the same. Now I have the diameter. 42 divided by 2, 4 divided by 2 equals 2, and 2 divided by 2 equals 1. The area of the circle equals pi r power 2. 22/7 times 21 power 2 equals what? 1.386 centimeter square. Okay, now bring your sheets and answer with me. Okay, now we won't remember the perimeter of the square and the area of the square. In this square, I have 4 sides and all the sides are equal in length. In any square we have 4 sides are equal in length. Okay, the perimeter of the square equals what? The perimeter of the square equal side length times 4. Side length times 4. And the area of the square equals side length times side length. But if we have the diagonal in this square, if we have 2 diagonals in this square, the area of this square, if we have the diagonals, equals half times diagonal 1 times diagonal 2. Okay? For example, find the perimeter and the area of the square of its side length is 3 centimeters. Okay, the perimeter of the square equals side length times 4. So the side length here is what? 3 times 4 equals 12 centimeters. Okay, and the area of the square, area of the square equals what? Side length times side length. So 3 times 3 equals 9 centimeters square. Okay, in another one, find the area and the perimeter of the square of its side length is what? 5 centimeters. Okay, perimeter of the square side length times 4, so 5 times 4 equals 20 centimeter, and the area of the square equals what? Side length times side length, so 5 times 5 equals 25 centimeters square. Okay, find the length of the square of its perimeter is 20 centimeters. Now I have the perimeter of the square and I want to find the side length. I will write my rule. Perimeter of the square equals what? Side length times 4. Okay, the perimeter here is what? 20 equals side length times 4. If I want to find the side length, I will make what? Divide. Side length equals 20 divided by 4, it will be 5 centimeters. Okay, now the side length of the square equals 5 centimeters. Okay, the perimeter of the square is 32 centimeters. Find the area. Now, if I want to find the area of the square, it must be half the side length. Now, I don't have the side length of this square, but I will find the side length from where? From the perimeter. Okay, the perimeter of the square equals what? Side length times 4. Okay, perimeter here is 32 equals side length times 4, so side length equals 32 divided by 4, it will be 8 centimeters. Now the area of the square equals what? Area equals 8 times 8, it will be 64 centimeters square. Okay, find the length of the square of its area is 49. Okay, Now I want to find the length of the square, but I have the area of the square. Okay, are you remember the area of the square equals what? Area square equals side length times side length. Side length times side length or side length times itself, it is the same. Okay, now the area of the square is 49. What is the number times itself? It will be 49. What is the numbers times itself? It will be 49. 49 equals 7 times 7. So side length equal 7 centimeters. Okay, thank you.